Hey members, this is a point of view video as if you went to dinner theater with Mama Nose and Mr. Brown. Oh, and by the screenshot, something really weird happens at the end.
Lovely again. Okay, Ronette, this goes out to you, okay? If you're married, sir, this is not meant to be weird. Okay, Ronette. Can you feel the love tonight? Can you feel it again? Yeah, you do. Woo! She says yes. Can y'all feel the love in the house tonight? Don't be lazy on me now. Don't be lazy. Now, Ronette, thank you. We agreed that love is that very, very, almost the most important emotion in the world. And some of y'all, when you come here, you tell us when you make your reservations that you are celebrating a special love day in your life. And so we want to take a moment before the show starts to honor your special love days. And so at this time, we're going to start with the first love day, which are anniversaries. Now, if it's your anniversary at the Blazin M, we're going to ask you, when we call out your name, to stand up, turn to your partner, give them a big old smooch, and then we're going to clap for them based on their smooching capabilities. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's start in front. We got these guys at B1. I don't have their years. Mr. and Mrs. Porter. How many years, sir? 6 on the front. 1 year, 1 year anniversary. You made it. Give it this. Give it this. Give it this. Give it this. Give it this.
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Okay, don't steal the show from me, Mr. Porter. So let's get rocking. Over here at C. I'm Johnny Cash. Have an imagination, people. Come on, I'm Johnny Cash.
God.
Please, what's that? I said it's not the time to go pee-pee.
Is it going again?
Oh, he's coming up and come up. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blazin M Ranch goes right. It just keeps getting weirder and weirder, right? I mean, well, we hope you enjoyed that little crazy show.